Trg ZavnoBiH-a 4 in Alipašino Polje, Sarajevo, Bosnia-Herzegovina. This one also has that annoying advertisement display with loud music. And 8th floor. 6 floors of 450 kilograms. The original Daka lighters are very common in Sarajevo. It's a very good thing, but they are a bit rare in tall buildings. Most of them has been modernized by generics, unfortunately, but in these bit lower ones they are very common. I have also got some tall ones filmed. It's built by BiH and maintained by BiH. 8th floor. Ground floor. Eighth floor. Ground floor. That's